Presenting the 2006 Holden Commodore. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.